Hey there, welcome to Tech and English with Dicha. I am so excited you are here today because we are tackling a super interesting topic neural networks. If you have ever wondered how machines can learn to recognize images, drive cars, or even understand language, this video is for you. By the end of this breakdown, you will have a clear understanding of how neural networks function and why they are such a crucial part of AI. So let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are neural networks? In simple terms, neural networks are AI systems inspired by the human brain. Just like your brain has neurons that pass signals to each other, artificial neural networks have neurons or nodes that are organized in layers and connected through pathways. These nodes communicate with each other to learn patterns in data, and over time, the network gets better and better at tasks, whether it's recognizing images, understanding speech, or even playing chess. Now you may be wondering, how do they actually learn? Imagine you are trying a neural network to identify pictures of cats and dogs. You feed it thousands of images, and the network processes each one, layer by layer. When it makes a prediction, like this is a cat, it checks whether it's correct. If it is wrong, the network adjusts the connections between nodes. This process continues until it improves its accuracy. This adjustment process is known as backpropagation. It's similar to how we learn from our mistakes. The network keeps tweaking itself, using feedback to get better over time, just like practice makes perfect. Neural networks refine their understanding the more data they are given. Now, let's talk about the structure of a neural network. They are typically consist of three main types of layers: the input layer, where the data enters the network; the hidden layers, where the network processes the information and learns from it; the output layer, where the network gives its prediction, like cat or dog. Each of these layers is made up of nodes that carry information forward. The connections between these nodes are adjusted to help the network get closer to the right answer. Cool. Here is another cool concept: activation functions. Think of this as a decision making tool for each node, just like how a neuron in your brain decides to send a signal or not. Activation functions help nodes in a neural network decide whether to fire and pass information to the next layer. There are different types of activation functions, such as rectifier, linear unit, and sigmoid, that help neural networks process various kinds of tasks. Without this, the network would not be able to make the complex decisions that AI is known for. Training a neural network is no small feat. It takes time, a lot of data, and plenty of computing power. For example, when a neural network is trained to power self-driving cars, it processes thousands of hours of driving footage. Over time, the network learns to recognize road signs, pedestrians, and obstacles, making it smarter and more reliable. Now, you might be wondering, where are neural networks being used today? Well, they are everywhere. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to image recognition on your phone, neural networks are behind some of the coolest AI applications. They are also used in areas like medical diagnosis, finance, and even climate modeling. Neural networks are a big part of what makes deep learning possible, which is why they are driving so much of today's AI revolution. So, there you have it, a deep dive into how neural networks actually work. They are designed to learn and adapt just like we do, which is why they are so powerful in the world of AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if there is a specific topic in AI you'd like me to cover next. Be sure to subscribe for more Tech and AI insights. I've got a lot more interesting content coming your way. Thanks for tuning into Tech and English with Dicha. See you in the next video.